Close your eyes for a second and think. What if your thoughts had real power? Not just imagination, real life-changing power. Power that could shape your health, your money, your relationships, even your mood. Sounds wild, right? But what if I told you it's already happening, every minute, inside your own mind? That's the hidden truth behind the famous book, The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. Today, we're walking through that truth, step by step, in simple words, easy stories, and real feelings. And by the end, you'll see, this secret isn't far away. It's been waiting inside you all along. Let's begin. Chapter 1, The Invisible Magnet. Rhonda Byrne starts with one bold line. What you think about, you bring about. Your mind is like a magnet. Every feeling, every thought, every word sends out energy, and the world quietly answers with the same energy. Think sad, you attract more reasons to feel down. Think strong, you attract the strength to grow. You don't have to take this as magic. Think of it like a filter. If you believe good things exist, your brain starts spotting them. You walk through the same world, but you see it differently. That's the real beginning of The Secret. Chapter 2, How the Law of Attraction Works. The book calls it the Law of Attraction. It means like attracts like. Picture a radio tower. Your thoughts are the signal you send out. Life tunes itself to the same frequency. When you're grateful and hopeful, you send out a happy signal, and events that match it start finding you. When you complain or stay afraid, you send out a low signal, and you attract more to worry about. So if you want a better life, first, change the signal, not the station. Chapter 3, The 3 Steps. Ask, believe, receive. The Secret explains life in 3 small words. Ask, believe, receive. Ask. Be clear about what you want. Don't say what you don't want. Instead of, I don't want to be broke, say, I'm ready for money to flow easily. Believe. Act and feel as if it's already on its way. Like buying online, you trust the package is coming. You don't chase the delivery truck shouting, where is it? Receive. This means being open and thankful before the thing arrives. Your gratitude becomes the invitation for life to send more. When faith feels natural, everything moves faster. Chapter 4, The Secret Language. Feelings. Feelings are your inner GPS. Good feelings tell you you're on the right stream. Bad feelings tell you your thoughts need a small turn. You don't have to fake happiness, just gently look for one better thought. If you're angry, move toward calm. If you're tired, think of rest or something that brings peace. Each little move lifts your energy. The goal isn't to be positive 24/7. It's to lead your mind back toward the light each time it drifts. Chapter 5. See it, then be it. This is where visualization comes in. When you imagine something clearly, your body responds as if it's already real. Your heartbeat, your chemistry, even your motivation all start to line up. That's why top athletes picture their wins before every competition. So close your eyes and picture the life you want, not someday, but now. See yourself there, smile a little, and most importantly, feel it. That feeling plants the seed. Chapter 6, The Golden Shortcut. Gratitude. If the secret had a favorite word, it would be thank you. Gratitude flips the switch faster than anything else. Think of it like turning a light on in a dark room. You instantly see more to appreciate. Each thank you tells life, more of this, please. Start tiny. Thank the morning for coming. Thank your breath for working. Thank your coffee, your pet, your family, your random lucky break. Do this and your energy will lift before you even leave the house. Chapter 8. Money, the flow of abundance. Money in this book isn't good or bad, it's energy. If you fear money, you block it. If you respect it, appreciate it, and think there's enough for everyone, you open the gate. People who feel rich inside start finding the ideas and chances that make them rich outside. So start treating every coin as proof of abundance, not lack. The more joy you attach to money, the easier it flows. Chapter 9. Love, the mirror rule. Love, too, follows this same law. You attract what you are, not just what you wish for. If you chase love because you feel lonely, that loneliness pushes people away. If you fill yourself with love first, kindness, laughter, peace, people sense it instantly. You become magnetic. Start by speaking to yourself kindly. The moment you respect your own heart, you turn into someone others want to love. That's the mirror rule. Chapter 10. Health, the mind-body connection. Your body listens to your thoughts every second. When you think happy, healing, hopeful thoughts, you trigger real changes in your chemistry. Your immune system calms, your cells work better. Negative worry does the opposite. So feed your body kindness. Picture yourself healthy and strong. Thank it for everything it's doing right, and notice how different you feel. A calm mind quietly teaches the body to heal. Chapter 11. When doubt kicks in. Let's be real. It's easy to believe on good days. But what about when everything goes wrong? That's when the real test comes. The book says, don't fight doubt. Pivot away from it. Catch the thought, I can't do this, and gently change it to, I'm learning how. That small redirection keeps your energy alive. One positive thought can cancel a dozen negative ones, because light always wins over darkness. Chapter 12. The hidden step. Action. Now comes something many readers miss. Belief without movement doesn't grow. When you believe, you naturally take action that matches the belief. If you think, I'm lucky, you try one extra thing. If you think, I'm talented, you share your work. That's when coincidences find you. So don't wait for signs, be one. Move your feet while your faith moves the world. Chapter 13. When it feels slow. Sometimes results crawl instead of sprint. Don't panic. Seeds don't bloom overnight. You can't see the roots forming, but they are. Keep watering your dream. Stay thankful. Keep picturing it and trust the process. Impatience is just forgetting how growth works. You've already started becoming the person you need to be.